Oh my god. Hi. It's been a long time. I know it's been a long time since I made one of these videos. And though all those other videos, I was sounding like a little kid. And I could do that again and hurt your ears, okay? Okay. So today, let's why don't I plan my video ideas? Oh wait, I'm on a new account, so I'm completely broke. I have no money. I'm starting off fresh. My other account got delete. Well, not delete. I still have it, but it's not connected to my YouTube anymore. So I can't do that. And now I'm in a private, so all I have is these. So let's try to get people into lobbies, and then make them work for me. Bro, I don't have an editor. I don't know how to edit, bro, because I don't got nobody. Somebody please comment.
We can reach it! Help! Someone, grab that!
Guys, who wants to join the code?
Give me more!
Who wants to join the code?
Give me more!
Alright, come on. Join the code CJVR.
Huh?
Join the code CJVR.
CJVR?
Yeah. He's so like, oh my god, bro. I don't like this, bro. I'm just a new content creator, bro. Help off my Now I gotta wait for it. Sorry for the background noise. Is he not coming? Pause. One man. Yo, Red.
It was just hard because I was big.
Okay, guys. Red, welcome our new guest, Red. Red! Come here. Welcome our new guest. Where'd he go? Oh. Red. Why are you bigger than me?
I don't know. I ate mega broccoli.
Hey, yeah! So today, Red. Hey, yeah! Red. I'm on a new account and I need people to help me grind all the way to get all of my stuff back, alright? So can you stop? Can you do that? Can you get more people?
I can help you only.
Okay. Let's go.
First, we have to get recent points. Take this. This.
Wait, I just realized I never made an animal company video. Oh my god. It's always been good at time. I'm just a monkey looking out for other monkey. Ah!
Come here.
I'm coming.
Hold up.
I'm at like 150 subscribers, I think.
Grappler.
Oh. Grab it! Grab it!
Let's go.
Alright, let's go. I
Wait,
don't have
first,
hip slots anymore.
what do you want to do? Like, go mining or like sewers? Mines or sewers? Sewers.
Let's go! Going into. I can't get copyrighted. I'm just a monkey getting resources. I'm getting this. Pause. We have no light. We have no light. Oh wait, you have a light. I'm building. Hiya! Oh, banana. So we collect that?
Sure, you can put it in your bag.
More nuts. Pause. Why did it say something? I miss my old channel, but I can't make videos on there, so I have to grind on this one. This is a lot of stuff. So only collect the big things, alright?
You got a hover pad too. But where is it?
Gold. Big toilet paper.
Should we just collect everything?
Collect all the big things in the Stanley and the gold, alright?
Okay. Should we collect the Coke?
Yeah.
Can I collect the bouncy things? My girlfriend loves that.
Yeah, you can use it. Stanley. We're gonna be rich. Hopefully.
Weirdo.
Does this counters go up? I have no idea, but I'm gonna put big Coca-Cola. And
What? Why? Where are we going?
oh no, I think Red has to go.
Huh?
Oh, my bag's full. Oh, my bag's full.
So where are we gonna go next? Really?
Well, we're not done. We're not done, bro. We're not done. All right. My bag's full. I gotta go sell. Did he die? Back up. All right. I'll come up. Stay up there. I can't. This is so following the money. Right now, it's all money. So it's points. Come on. I'm heavy. Bro, I have to use my grappler for walking too. Well, I'm back from my long trip, so I'm gonna make more videos. And hopefully, I figure out how to edit so I can make it more, hopefully, funny and entertaining.
Coming back.
So y'all can watch it and like enjoy it and yeah. Did I just miss the selling machine? I know I'm bored right now. I'm nervous. It takes me a while, bro. It takes me a while to life. How much money is that? Bro, that's it. I have $2,000 in my other account. I have 2 million, so it's just so much way easier to get money back in the old animal company. And I never made a video because I took a break. Well, no, I just didn't want to. That's moolah right there. I'm stuck. Oh. I don't know why I'm bouncing around like this. I just like moving. 3K, alright.
Yo, I have to get off.
Oh, you have to get off?
Meow, 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 meow.
Do you have a YouTube? Do you have a YouTube channel? What's the name?
I don't make YouTube videos anymore.
Oh. I was
So
gonna
I
shout you
forget.
out.
I'm coming.
Time to get more people. Yay.
Wait, stay here.
Well, this is another account, so I can't friend him.
Huh? Your angle of you activate the
Guys, can
Your
someone join the code
Yo,
CJBR?
I'm not getting trolled. I'm not getting trolled.
Can someone join the code CJBR?
Yo, Epi your book back. Epi your book back. My glapper.
Nah. Can someone join the code CJBR?
What?
Can someone join the code CJBR?
to go.
What's the code?
CJBR.
What?
I'm gonna go sell some stuff.
Join the code CJBR.
C
What? Did you say a VPN? What?
C B
Can I have a
J R C B J
No,
R.
CJ.
That's what happens when I stay in the airport.
He's over here.
I'll accept the payment of landmine.
Hopefully you got the right code. Oh my god. Oh! Blue!
Bro, I could do it so if I wanted. But I would probably not be good.
Do you know why I brought you into this code today?
No.
And my other
I'm pretty sure I could do a tower.
I
I don't know, probably town trail.
See, come here real quick. Guys, I gotta do this again. We have a special guest, Blue.
You could call me N or Star. It's fine. N or Star.
And our star?
Call me N. Star is my nickname in mostly every game I play.
Star?
But this came. Yeah, cause my name starts with the R.
Oh, Star.
But I don't.
All right.
Star
Dude,
or N.
I
Mr.
haven't
N
told
or
him why he's here. So,
I play a lot of games with the username Star, so you could probably find me. I don't know.
that looks so
Clash
good.
Royale, pretty. No, not.
All right,
Clash
you can.
Royale.
Do you know why I brought you here? See, I'm on a old account, and I need someone's help to get more money. All right, and help me grind.
I recommend you start selling this first.
I have a nut.
Give me a second, buddy.
Ah!
So what kind of stuff do you need?
This.
I don't know what you call it. Okay.
Ultimate
I
aim,
got
guys.
buffalo
Like,
though.
look, it's aiming right here.
Interesting stuff.
Dude, go
I
on.
got a bag full of some interesting stuff. I have some
How did I
in my
not
bag.
get hit?
Yo, bro.
Yo, bro.
I got back with some interesting stuff in it. Like,
I could have showed you something I had, but it's on my other account.
that's only the beginning. That's only the beginning. Oh yeah. To the top. Eat. That's it.
Wow, he just had these. Yo! Yo!
Before you sell. You want to keep anything? Uh-oh. Do not sell these. These are old boom boxes. Wait, let me put this in again. I forgot.
I want.
Wait, do not sell. Do not sell.
I want this.
No, dude.
I want this.
Wait, first, look through.
I want this.
You sure you don't want this gigantic pack?
I'm gonna eat it, so.
Mate, do you not want a purple flashlight that makes a red light?
Nah. I keep
You
this.
sure? There's some ink.
I'm gonna put these away.
Like, for example, this egg.
Egg.
Like this egg. Galaxy. This
So.
is pretty hard to get. Some stuff where you cannot even get no more.
Shotgun.
Take what you want first.
I want
Oh,
shotgun.
we also got Galaxy clusters under everything.
What I really need is like put a bag.
Yo, bro.
Oh my god, I gotta be shotgun. Put it. Oh, frick.
Yo, bro, come. Come. No, come, bro. You really doing that with me? Oh. This is a bag where you keep the stuff you want. This is all the stuff you wanted. Okay, let me friend you.
Wow, bro.
Wait, that's just like pretty much the first pack. I'm not even done. I'm not done yet.
You still got more? This kid's got it.
Yeah, I got like that. I'm at small
What
stuff.
do I want?
Okay.
You can't get this anymore, right? What if it is this?
I won't open the shop. Yeah, that's why.
What the world's in my book bag? I'm gonna take.
Oh, just give me stuff. No more nice stuff.
Why?
Yeah, and, you want to keep this? This is enough.
I'm keeping this.
What color do you see? What color do you think this is? Pink or white?
White.
Correct.
Yeah.
This is Galaxy, bruh. You want it? You
Nah.
want to keep this?
I don't.
This?
Oh my god.
This is actually cool.
I want this. Should I be doing this? It's gotta be.
You know, I just doing some regular
My other account and give him a bunch of stuff that I have. Listen, bro. He's giving me all this, bro. I have to, bro. Might be a little hard. I won't be able to record it, but it's still.
Yo, bro.
Huh?
Do not how I got that, man. Just do not.
Yo, how did you get that?
I don't even.
Oh
I
my
told you I
god.
won't open the shop. And
Oh,
also,
miss.
look what I got. A green goblin. Green goblin.
Okay, bro. Give me, bro.
You want this? The green grappler grappler?
Add- If you give,
Want it?
give me that. If you add me, then I can add you on my other account and then give you a bunch of stuff.
Yeah, I'm doing it for free. Have no.
I gotta give you something, bro. I gotta give you
Nah.
something. Can I die from this? Ah, what? I've literally no health. I'm a big giant walking in the land of mines. I'm a big giant. I'm gonna die. Oh, I died.
Look at this.
Wait. That's so unfortunate.
Yo, bro, look what I have.
You have red hope. Yo, can you push me over to where my backpack is? Can you push me to where my backpack is?
Where?
Alright, come on. Alright. Punch me. You missed.
I'll give
Oh, it doesn't work.
me a sec.
It doesn't work. It doesn't work.
My death works. Need life?
Doom.
Why won't?
Bro.
Broke up break.
Bro. I only have 5 gems.
What the hell? Yo, bro, what? Do my grappler.
Oh my god. Ouch.
You want this Hulk fist?
Yeah.
I'm luckily outside of the thing. And guess what? Guess what I'm gonna say? More. Yo, bro, do you think this big? Do you think this is good? You think this good? Nope.
Yeah.
That's one of my worst backpacks. My second worst. Yo, bro. Look one. Yo, bro.
Huh?
I'm interrogating
Whoa.
Wait.
Did you sell it? Stuff? Did you sell the stuff?
No, I think it despawned. No! The stuff despawned. Are you serious
You
right
probably
now,
still get
bro?
money.
Bruh.
I don't know what back for a chicken. I don't know.
I'm not big enough. I can't wait for that update. I'm gonna share it. Like, take it out. You're gonna die. I can probably swim like Hulk.
Bro. I'm putting this in. When you go small, take what you want.
Oh my gosh.
Wait. Hey. I'm trying to get this key out because I'm not trying to sell it. Safe travels. Take it. Take it. Well, did you get everything you want?
No, wait, no. Hold on. I went.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, yo, chill. I have one more thing. Alright. Let's see how much money.
I don't know how to get money.
921. No. I have no health. Am I dead?
Yeah, I don't know what it. You wanna go mining?
Yeah. How long is this video? Oh my god.
You might have to keep the medium bag. In the medium bag, not the large. Okay.
Let's go.
Take this.
Ah!
Let's go mining.
Let's go, gambler.
Here.
How
Take
is
a
it?
crowbar.
Oh.
Now let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
No, Peter doesn't have that much charge.
Wait, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm scared.
Run away.
Did they change mines?
Yeah. I don't know which way.
scared, bro. I'm trying to get hit by that spider.
Nope, mimic that way.
Mimic.
That way.
I died. I died. Ah,
Where's your body?
I respawn. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Let the bodies hit the floor. Is that copyright? I don't know.
You know you're gonna have to come, right?
I am. Oh no, this is too hard. Oh my god. He was over here. But they
You
don't
copy
do
him?
that.
Help me, bro.
I'm leaving.
Oh, this way.
Oh. Where's my stuff?
This way. And do not destroy him.
What if I
Get
just
Back on, no, back away. Mimic, you shall not kill my friend! Huh?
Yo, nah, chill. There's two. There's two spiders.
What are they doing? One and two.
Ah,
The other one's killing me. And hit him from above. Let him come and hit ya. Let him come. Yeah, stop punching. Stop punching. I got your back. Stop punching. Punch him like you punch him like you do both. Hit it. Keep it going. Come on. Punch him. You gotta keep punching. You gonna kill him or not, bro? Oh, well, that'd be alright. You could take my stuff.
I'm out. Oof. That has been a fun video. And now, yeah, I'm done.